everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an awesome little 1966 Chevrolet Nova. Super cool car, guys. I bought this from a guy who actually owned a body shop down in Florida. One of his personal cars. Super cool car, guys. Matter of fact, I was down at this show, couldn't get a rental car, and so I went to the show and I said, hey, somebody's selling a car today for sure, because I needed something to drive for the week that I was down there. And I bought this car, jumped in it, drove it for 3 straight days, and just a great little car. I had it on the expressway. Just a fun car to drive. It's a little pro touring car. It's got a TCI front clip in it with power rack and pinion steering, tubular upper and lower control arms. It's got a 95 LT1 Corvette fuel injected engine in it with a 4L60E trans, and like I say, super cool car. He said he actually restored this car 10 years ago, but he said there's only about 1,500 miles on it since he got it done. It looks like the grill and everything that looks original. I think your little bezels there are original. Even these bumpers might be original because they kind of show a little bit of pitting there. But he said he stripped it down to the bare metal. He said it was complete ground up restoration. Again, all custom chassis, TCI front. It's got a 4-link rear with a 9-inch Ford rear end, 370 posi. You can see it's got the tinted front glass. And this thing rocks, man. Fun to drive. Matter of fact, one of my buddies just happened to be behind me. I love the interior too. Super cool. That's a tan and plaid interior, all custom done. He's got a interior guy that does all his interiors, and you can see he did a beautiful job on that. But one of my buddies actually followed me when I first jumped in this thing, and when I saw him the next day at the show, first thing he says, "Boy, that little Nova will run, won't it?" Yeah, super cool car. It's got solid Florida body. Let's just see. Looks like a new rear bumper. It's just a little dust, guys. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got ZR rated rubber all the way around. It's 17-inch Americans, and they're cool. They're kind of, this color is actually the factory color. It's a Cameo beige. So it's kind of an off-white, I guess is the way I would describe it. Painted on pinstripe, which is cool. And then when I get to the wheels, I'll show you those. They kind of match to the car. They're like a gold tint. And you probably have to see it better in the sun. When I get to the other side, you'll see it a little better. They've actually got a little gold tint to the wheels, so they kind of match to the car. Power front disc brakes. Power front disc brakes. Actually, those are Vintique wheels. Like you say, they're kind of cool. When you see them on the other side, you'll see the color. Again, 95 LT1 fuel-injected engine. It's got BBK headers, TCI front clip with power rack and pinion steering. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms. You can see it's got aluminum radiator. It's got air blows cold. Power disc brakes, 4L60E automatic overdrive trans. There you can see the kind of a little bit of a gold tint to the wheels. It's got 2-inch drop spindles on the front. He said the car's dynamated. Cool car, very unique. That's what I liked about it, man. Very cool car. Looks like the original door handles. And he said they started with a really nice car. Super cool interior. New carpet, new sill plates. That red is grease, guys. Love the interior. Very comfortable. All custom done. He's got like I say, he's got a buddy that owns an interior shop that does all the interior on his cars. Ididit tilt column. It's got a billet wheel. It's got a B&M ratchet shifter, and it is set up for the overdrive. 85,729 is on your odometer, and he said that was the original miles to the car, but he said it's got about 1,500 on it. I put a couple on it, so it's got a little bit more than that. Aftermarket phantom gauges. The air does work. Frame ties. It's got a oh doggone it, a drive shaft loop. Again, it's a 9-inch. It's a 4-link, 9-inch forward rear end with a 370 posi unit in it, and it's got adjustable coilovers on the rear. You can see they relocated the battery to the trunk. That's actually one of the original wheels, which is pretty cool. Very cool car. Lots of fun to drive. Car's clean underneath. Oh, it's got a Rock Valley stainless fuel tank in it with electric pump. Really cool interior. So that little piece that he used to finish off, even the parking brake little handles in there, I thought that was cool. I can tell you, I put my coffee in that cup holder, it works. Can't see it, Jordy just kicks your air on, it's down below, but it works, blows cold. Car gets with the programs, guys. I mean, it runs. And you see those color good on that wheel, on those wheels there. Yeah, we're gonna check on the fuel gauge. That was the one thing that gauges are all working. Again, your blower motor works. It's radio delete. Again, blower motor works. All your gauges are functional. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I dig it, man. That's a cool, cool car. Sits good. They've got it lowered all the way down, all the way around. Again, it's got adjustable coilovers in the rear, so you can raise it up if you want a little rig to it. He's got it lowered. I like that look. a great day, guys.